Hi, so lately we've been talking about multiplication, and I'm just going to review how we've been learning it, and then I'm going to go on and show you a different, maybe an easier way for everyone to do. So we're going to start off doing 21 times 12. And normally, you'd start with 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, and then you'd move on. Don't forget your 0, and do 1 times 1, 1, and then 1 times 2 is 2, and then you add them, 2, and then 5 is 252. All right, so this is the way that we've been doing it, but I'm going to show you another way. It's the Chinese method. So this, we're going to use a picture to kind of help us with our thoughts. So I'm going to draw lines to represent 21. This is going to represent the tens place, the 20, and then this line over here is going to represent the ones place. You can tell that because it's in a separate spot. And then I'm going to draw lines going the other direction to show 12. So I'm going to do a 1 in the tens and then 2 in the ones. And I'm going to divide this into the 3 sections of where it intersects. So this is going to be the hundreds place, this the tens, and this the ones. So I'm going to change my marker color so you can see. But where these two intersect, there's 2. So your ones would be 2. And then in the tens, it intersects 5 times. So that would be 5. And then hundreds, it's 2 times. So it's 252. So you see that we get the same answer, but there's a different way of doing it so that you can visually see and map out how you get the 252. All right, now we're gonna do some practice problems. The first one I'll have you do with me, and then the second one you can pause it and then check your answer afterwards. But this first one is 12 times 13. We're gonna do as before, where we have our 1 for the tens place and the 12, and then the 2 over here for the ones places. And then we're gonna do our 13 going the other direction, where we have 1s for the 1 for the tens place, and then 3 for the ones place. And then we're gonna do it in our sections again, where there's the hundreds, tens place, and then the ones place. I'll grab a different color marker. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots where it intersects in the ones place, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots that the lines intersect in the tens place, and then just 1. And you can tell that the answer is 156 from this. All right, so I'm gonna put up another one, and I'll have you guys pause the video once I have it written up here, and then you can try it on your own. So I know there's a bigger number, but I want to have you try it, and we'll come back and do it together so that you can check it. So pause it right now and then unpause it once you think you've figured it out. Okay, so I'm going to write out this in the Chinese method. So it's a little different because it has the hundreds place value. So we're going to start a little lower, but we have 4 lines again. For our 400, the 4 is the hundreds value, so there's 4 there. And then for the tens place value, we'll have 3. And then the ones place value will also have 3. And then for the 12, we'll go in the other direction, where we'll have our 1 line for our tens place value, and then our 2 lines for our ones place value. And we're gonna split this up. We're gonna count, hold on, let me get a different color. And do this. That's that line. And then okay, so then for this one we'll have our ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So it's a little bit different, and we have the thousands place value. So for this one, I didn't draw the line very well, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the ones place value, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the tens place value. And then for the hundreds, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And so we're gonna put 1 down here, and then because it's 11, we have to carry a 1 to over here. And then for our thousands, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do your 4 plus 1, which is 5. And you find that the answer is 5,196. So I hope you got the same answer, and that this method will help you with your multiplication if you're having a hard time with the regular method that we've been using. Thank you.